Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if this is your first time visiting, and I'd like to thank all of you for clicking on today's video. Today I'm going to be focusing on my kitchen area. I have a lot of deep cleaning going on. There's been some areas that I've been needing to take care of for a while now. Hopefully you enjoy these types of videos. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm curious to know how many of you tuned into Friday's bonus video. I'd like to know your thoughts on it. I'm thinking about dropping more of those types of videos. It was a lot of fun putting it all together, and I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. So please leave me a comment with some of your feedback. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and if I should continue making those types of videos. I've been switching up my home decor a lot lately, and in doing so, I realized that I actually have a lot of stuff around my home that I don't use anymore, or that I haven't used in quite some time. So I was thinking maybe I should do like a little yard sale. I've never actually done anything like that before, so I'm a little nervous and I don't know if it'll be a success or not, but the more that I think about it, the more I think I want to go ahead and try something like that. Have any of you done any yard sales before? And if you have any tips, I would love to hear them. Go ahead and leave me a comment with any tips that you guys may have for having a yard sale.
Guess I'm not the lucky type. Ooh, trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
there's always a lot of grease that builds up right here, and so I like to just use my Bissell Steam Shot with the scrubber attachment. It does a really good job at removing all of the grease. Also, if you have a lot of grease buildup on your cabinets up here, you can use the Bissell Steam Shot without the scrubber and just use the steamer part of it. I mean, I would test an area, always test an area before you do something like this, but for me, the cabinets right above the microwave, they tend to get a lot of grease on them, and so I'll just use my Bissell Steam Shot without the scrubber just to loosen up all of that grease, and then I'll give it a wipe down, and you can feel that it's nice and smooth. It just does a really good job at removing all of the grease.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a
Alright friends, so that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I also really hope that I will see you next week for a brand new video. And with that being said, you already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.